Welcome to the second installment of Infinitum Battle for Europe video blog. My name is Martin and I'll be your host today. Today we will focus on the new map that has been rewritten in Starling from the scratch, and it's going to be much more beautiful, much more awesome, and most importantly much faster. We're gonna show you footage of the map. The first thing you notice is the new UI. Instead of clicking on things on the map and getting those ugly windows, you get this mouse over menus where you can see all the details of a particular thing on the map, and here you have all the necessary commands that you need. So every entity on the map will have this new UI. Another thing we wanted to show you is not this landscape, it's this battle. As you can see, it's not very realistic, but it's for testing purposes and to show you that even with over 1000 units, the game runs very smooth, always 60 FPS. And the third thing we wanted to show you is this zoom out. This is how far from battle you can zoom out. This is an HD, full HD monitor with 1000 units, and the battle is running smoothly. There's one more feature in Infinitum we've been working on lately. Infinitum is about fighting. We know you like to fight, but it's actually pretty difficult to learn how to fight because you spend units and then you have to slowly rebuild them. So we've added skirmishes, which is basically single-player combat-based missions that allow you to train with units that just you get for the mission. You spend them in the mission. You do not lose any of your actual units. This should give you opportunity to train without pain. And now I'm going to show you the new skirmishes. I'm using my testing account, so disregard some things like this winning dialogue over here, and let's go right through it. So this is the new window where you can select your skirmishes. You can select which battle do you want to fight. You can select the difficulty, and an icon here shows you on which difficulty did you finish the skirmish. There are basically two types of skirmishes. These two are skirmishes where you can actually select your real units and test them in the battle. When you select them, you can start the skirmish either in simulation mode, where you do not lose any units after the battle, but you do not gain any experience, or battle mode, in which your units die, but you also gain experience. So let's try some of those. Okay, now I press start and it takes a while, but then here you see map that you cannot leave with your units, and your units, they are predefined against the predefined set of enemy units. So this way you can basically practice fight and do not lose any of your precious units. All other skirmishes are basically predefined scenarios with different maps, different enemy units, and different units that you can control. Each of them is designed to teach you something about combat. So I'll just select difficulty here and press start. When the skirmish loads, you will see that the map has some boundaries that you cannot cross. It's this square here, but otherwise you can normally control your units like in the normal game and practice fighting all you want. We have also added a new combat feature, what it does is that if you attack an enemy unit with several of your units, you get a bonus damage, so that the unit is sort of overpowered. We also changed the UI of the game. What you already noticed probably is this skirmish button, which opens the skirmish manager. Then on the top right here we have the new share button, where you can make screenshots and share them with your friends, and the new alert button. On the top left you see some significant changes. This is the new mission button. The missions are serialized, which means you can always just one mission is available to you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like us, comment below the video, you know the drill. See you next time.